Tuen Kit Lee, a name that sent shivers down the spines of Massachusetts residents in the early 2000s, has finally been brought to justice after a 17-year manhunt. Dubbed the Bad Breath Rapist by the media, Lee's heinous crimes left a trail of devastation in his wake, and his ability to evade capture for nearly 2 decades only added to his notoriety. Born in 1969, Lee's early life is shrouded in mystery. What is known is that he was raised in a middle-class family and showed no signs of the darkness that would later consume him. His first brush with the law came in 1999, when he was arrested for indecent assault and battery. However, he managed to escape with a mere slap on the wrist, and it wasn't until 2005 that his true nature was revealed. On a fateful night in 2005, Lee kidnapped a young woman at knife point and subjected her to a brutal rape. The victim, who wishes to remain anonymous, was left with physical and emotional scars that would take years to heal. Lee's modus operandi was to target vulnerable women, often using his charm and good looks to gain their trust before striking. Lee's trial in 2007 was a media sensation, with the prosecution presenting a wealth of evidence against him. Despite this, Lee maintained his innocence, and it wasn't until the jury delivered a guilty verdict that he showed any signs of emotion. In a shocking turn of events, Lee fled the courtroom before sentencing, leaving authorities stunned and the victim seeking justice. For 17 long years, Lee managed to evade capture, despite being featured on America's Most Wanted multiple times and having a $10,000 reward offered for information leading to his arrest. He was spotted in various locations across the country, always managing to stay one step ahead of the law. Finally, in May 2024, Lee's luck ran out. He was arrested in Diablo, California, after a routine traffic stop revealed his true identity. Lee initially tried to use a fake name, but authorities were not fooled, and he eventually confessed to his crimes. Tuen Kit Lee's arrest is a testament to the dedication and perseverance of our law enforcement officers. He will now face the consequences of his heinous crimes, and justice will finally be served. The victim, who has waited patiently for justice, can finally begin to heal, knowing that her attacker is behind bars. Tuen Kit Lee's story is a dramatic reminder that justice can be delayed but not denied. His ability to evade capture for so long only adds to the shock and outrage of his crimes. As we reflect on his reign of terror, we are reminded of the importance of never giving